Welcome to the video Primitive Technology with easy food for DIY. In our topic, we almost show you how is the life in the wild, a variety of tools and weapons using only natural materials. I will also show you how to build a shelter and how to find food and water in the wild. In this video, our boy using his own hand catching eels and cooking food with firewood. Everything is in nature around. Find the right spot. Eels are most active at the swamp, so he tried to catch them by his hand. They are also more likely to be found in shallow, muddy water. Eels are often found in holes or under rocks, so check these areas first. Eels are attracted to sunlight, so use a daytime to attract them. Eels can be stunned by hitting them on the head, which can make them easier to catch. If you are not comfortable catching eels with your hands, you can use a fishing rod and bait. It is important to note that eels are a protected species in some areas, so be sure to check the regulations before you try to catch them. This video is for people who are interested in learning about primitive technology. It is also for people who are interested in learning how to survive in the wild. If you are interested in learning more about primitive technology, please subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page for the latest video. Thank you. Nature is beautiful and provides us with so many things that we need to survive. It's important to protect nature and to enjoy it whenever we can. We put a lot of work into this video. I'm always happy to see people with nature. It's important to share our love of nature with others, and I'm sure our video will do just that. I hope these tips help you make a great experience about nature and your life. Our video is going to the end. I'm so glad you watched my video. I put a lot of work into it, and it means a lot to me that you took the time to watch it. Thank you for your support. I'm always happy to hear from my viewers. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.